Alright, today I'm going to assemble a Nissan CG 13. Starting with the block. You can see I have the overall gasket, pistons cleaned, and got the rings there, bearings, main cone, and main bearings and cone bearings. Yep. So in everything, you need to be prepared, have everything lined out, lay out a plan. Oh yeah, don't forget that really helps when you stress out and you're tired. Just had this coming from the car wash. Yep. So doing this from home, so I'm going to spend my Sunday morning. Wish me good luck and see you on YouTube. Remember, subscribe, like, comment, ask anything, and we'll get ready to help you. My name is Leon, and I'm the owner of Breakdown Response Zambia, or BRZ. You can find us on Facebook and YouTube. Please share our page and channel.